Okay guys, so we're back here for another update video on this property. So for all the new viewers here, this was a property we bought that had been abandoned. So we got it cheap, or cheaper, below value, and basically I'm not sure who abandoned it or why, but it was a property whereby a DIYer or a builder, or I don't know who, somebody had started to do it up, and then they just basically left it. They put new doors and door frames on, but like plastered a bedroom, attempted to plaster a bedroom, so and then just abandoned it, ripped half the kitchen out. So anyway, let's go and have a look inside, see how we're getting on. If you remember last time, this was completely trashed with half ripped out kitchen. So we've got rid of all the kitchen, we've taken all the tiles off the wall, we've taken all the floor up, we've stripped it back to brick basically. We've checked all the electrics, checked all the pipe work, anything that we're going to need to replace, we're going to replace. But basically we've just taken it back to brick, cleaned all this area, got a nice work area now. It's all in the garden, and that's where we've got to so far, guys. So we've been here, although the last video was shot in the summer, we haven't been here since the summer because we had other projects that we were working on. So this is probably about day 3 that we're here now, so it's about the 3rd day as far as days go. Okay, so the bathroom's all cleared out now, so again, you remember that from last time. We'll probably show you a picture of that if we can get one of those up. So yeah, we've ripped everything out. We're going to replace all the old piping just so it's easier to manoeuvre the new bath and the sink and toilet in. So we're going to just replace the piping with new plastic piping so it's easier. All of the walls are going to be cladded with some plastic paneling, and yeah, the floor's all going to be taken up, but as you can see, it's a huge difference to the last time you saw it. So yeah, so moving on through. Yeah, okay, so in this room not much has changed in here really. It's pretty much the same as last time. We haven't really done anything in here, so that's as it was last time, so no change to show you in here. So there's not much change in here. We haven't done anything here yet, but I just thought I'd just show you for any new viewers, you can at least see where we are. One thing I did say last time though is I didn't think we'd need to change the electrics. I thought the electrics would be okay, but actually as we've found out when we've taken certain fixtures off the wall like ceiling roses and light switches, we realised the electrics are really bad. So actually we're going to do a rewire, so the electrics are going to be rewired, so you'll follow along with that as well. So yeah, so that's this room. Moving on to the next room. So you probably remember this room. This was the room where they had attempted to plaster the walls very badly. And if you remember, the giveaway was that there was some plaster in here. I call it lockdown plaster because you could only get it in lockdown. It was some new plaster from B&Q called Make Good, although it should really be called Make Bad. Yeah, so we haven't, we've done nothing in here apart from just kind of clear out the plaster bags. So this all needs re-skimming. So yeah, so again, not much in here. It's mainly just what you've seen so far. That's it, guys. So anyway, so look out for the next video. We'll bring you an update. Hopefully now we're on this. Probably bring you an update next week or the week after, so you can see the progress. So all I'd ask is please subscribe to the channel. That way you get notified when we bring out new videos. So if you could do that, that would really help us. And any comments, then just put below, and I'll speak to you next time.